Hi everyone, welcome to Career Talk. In this video, I'm going to share 7 important things with you. On these things, different people have different opinions, especially on social media. A lot of people are very vocal about these things. And whether you like it or not, knowingly or unknowingly, all of us are impacted because of these opinions. So it is very important for us to have a neutral viewpoint, okay, from our perspective of where we are in our career. So I think it is very important for us to understand all of these points, okay. So before I share that with you in this video today, my request is to please subscribe to this channel if you have not done it already. And my heartfelt thank you to all the people who have actually subscribed. The number has just touched 25,000. So thanks a lot everyone. Alright, with that, now let's get started with the video. Point number 1, all managers are selfish. All managers actually do favoritism and they only promote people or give salary hike to people whom they like. Okay, so let me tell you, in some part, in some small percentage, this opinion may be true. It might have happened with you, but that does not mean that it happens with everybody. Okay, there are a lot of people who deserve salary hike. There are a lot of people who deserve promotion and they get promotion or hike because they deserve it, not because their manager likes them or not because they're favorites to their managers. Okay, so don't cry over spilt milk. If you are not getting it, does not mean that it is because your manager is bad. It may also be possible that you are not able to strike the right rapport with your manager. Okay, so take it with a pinch of salt, but don't generalize it. You may have really run into an unreasonable manager. If you have, then please change your job. Okay, but don't generalize it. Point number 2, hopping too many jobs is bad. It will really have a negative impact on your resume. Or staying in one company is also bad. You should change jobs at least 2-3 years of frequency. So these are again opinions. Okay, what may work for one person may not work for another person. So depending on your stage of career, wherever you are, whatever is your age, whatever is your experience, something may work for you, but that something may not work for somebody else. So there is no general rule that job hops is a bad thing or staying in one company is good or bad thing. So again, please don't generalize it. Please have a neutral viewpoint on this as well. And if you have a really neutral viewpoint, it will help you make a very logical decision. Point number 3, service companies do low value work. A lot of people who work in product companies or startups have an opinion that all service companies actually do a very rudimentary kind of work, which is very low level work. My dear friends, this is not true. In service companies also there are specific projects where research is done. There are specific projects where they actually develop their own in-house product as well. So don't get opinionated by everybody that okay, all service companies are doing low-end work. That is actually not true for all the companies. So again, let's not generalize it. Point number 4, TCS and Infosys are just companies where you can go and retire. You can actually chill at work. I mean, I don't know who coined this for the first time, but this is really bad and this is really not true. There may be again few set of people who are chilling because the kind of work they do or because the kind of project in which they are allocated may not have workload. Okay, but this can happen to people working in other companies as well. So there is no need to believe that if you get inside TCS and Infosys, you can chill and you can retire. Okay, if you don't work, if you don't perform, even they will kick you out. All right, I hope that makes sense to you. Point number 5, product companies only hire people from other product companies. They don't hire people from service companies. Now this is again a very illogical thing. Okay, product companies look for skills. They look for specific expertise. So it doesn't matter whether you work for a startup or a product or a service company. They will hire you if you have the right kind of skills. Now let's move on to point number 6, which is startups don't hire people from service companies. Now this is again very illogical because startups again do not care about where you are coming from. All they care is what kind of skills do you have. And even if you have not done that kind of a work which they demand, if you are able to project that in the interview in the right way, they will hire you. Okay, so don't hear to all those people who will say, oh, once you work in a service company, startups will not hire you or product companies will not hire you. All of that is bullshit. Point number 7 and my favorite, lot of freshers or people who get inside the industry are of the opinion that you will get a highly paid job only only if you are good at coding. Okay, my dear friends, software development life cycle is such a big thing. There are so many roles across the phases. Okay, there are roles like product managers now, highly paid roles. Then there are roles which are specific to business or domain. Okay, for example, business analyst roles or business consultant roles. Okay, these are also very far away from coding, but these are also very high paying jobs. And further, you also have roles such as data analyst or data scientist. Of course, these roles may involve coding, but these are not out and out developer kind of roles. They require a different spectrum of skills, right from analysis to coding to understanding statistics and whatnot. So if somebody is telling you that only coding will give you the right kind of money, then they are absolutely wrong. All right, these are the 7 things which I wanted to share in this video. Now you can challenge me, you can let me know in comments what do you think about it, whether you agree or not. Both kind of opinions or comments are welcome. Also, my request is to share this video in your WhatsApp groups. If you have really liked it, please hit the like button as well. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already. I will see you in another video day after tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye for now.